Navy Vet 76 here, and I have my sharps.
Alright, nobody get the never ceasefire now. Ceasefire on the line, make the line safe. Fire line clear. Here's the down range. Check the change your torque. Check out brass. Come back body on.
Sharps carbine, which now I have to put a flag in. And it's made by IAB in Italy. I had some issues with this gun. Took it to the gun shop and had flip up sights put on it, made by Dixie Gun Works. Had the extractor fixed. I had the barrel straightened. So we're going to play with this gun. Again, 4570. It's H4198 powder, 28 grains, CCI primer, number 200 large rifle. Overall length 2 inches, 550 thousandths. It's a round nose hollow base bullet, 495 grains. I need to get down there and set up the target. Okay, target set up. Let's see how we did. It's 1,396 feet per second. $1,556. $1,673. I really like this peep sight. All right, we shot quite a bit. Let's get down and see what kind of group we have. Oh, heck yeah. That is gorgeous. Damn near one-holers, folks. Oh, I'm loving that flip up rear sight. And this gun shoots like a dream. I had the barrel straightened and those sights put on and the extractor fixed, and it's really doing a good job. Beautiful. I'm really liking this rifle. My gunsmith did a really good job on it. The shop is called Chubbucks Gun Shop. It's in Liberty Center, Indiana, just north of a town called Huntington, Indiana. And he does beautiful work. To put that tang sight on, I got the tang sight from Dixie Gun Works. He cleaned up a few scratches in the barrel. I picked this up at a local gun shop and it needed work when I got it.
Cheers once again. Back down right now. Looks like we're ready to launch. Let's go forward, load fire.
The company that made this gun was IAB in Italy. I don't even know if they exist anymore. But it's a very accurate rifle at 50 yards. And these 45-70s are a lot of fun to shoot. Again, the guy that did the work, it's called Chubbucks Gunsmithing in Liberty Center, Indiana, just north of Huntington, Indiana. I'm going to try and send him some pictures of his work, the results of his work, because he did a really good job. Okay, there you have it.